As you can see from the title, this video is about the entire application process and you'll get a clear-cut idea about how you can pursue your degree in the United States from your dream university. So in this video, you will learn about deadlines, requirements, application portals, financial aid applications, scholarships, and what after getting into the university. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are doing well. A warm welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Vineet. To begin with, I would like to say
Thank you
to Athar and Suman for the coffee. And if you like my work and want your name mentioned in my next video, you can also give me a coffee.
Nice.
So last time I shared how I saved thousands of rupees while applying to 40 plus universities in the United States. And today we'll look into the complete application process. Stick to this video till end because if you're planning to study abroad, this video will surely help you a lot. For more videos,
अब अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
let's understand the process with a story, with a character. Actually, I always share my ideas with my pals before executing them. So one of my friends suggested, why don't you explain it in simpler words with the help of suitable examples? And I replied,
Ooh, yeah, can do.
so the hero in our story is named Umang, a chill guy from India who wants to pursue his undergraduate degree in the United States. It is early May of 2022. He has completed his class 11th and just entered class 12th and will give his final exams in next year, March 2023. So he started looking for the application process. What do you think? Should he look at first? Yeah, when he should apply. From the book of World Google, he found academic year consists of trimester or quarters, fall, spring, winter and summer. And he should start his admission process at least 6 months before the application deadlines. Almost all the universities have three application pools: early decision, early action and regular decision. For fall intake, the session begins in August or September. The most common regular decision deadlines for fall intake are January 1st or January 15th. And the most common deadlines for early action and early decision is November 1st and November 15th. These can differ slightly depending upon the course or the university in the United States. What are early action and early decision? Early action is the application pool in which you submit your documents and receive the decision earlier. Early decision is similar to early action, but the only thing is that early decision is binding. And if you get accepted to that university under early decision, then you have to withdraw your application from other universities. Mainly, the students apply under early decision when they are sure about their first priority. Now, what are regular decision? The regular decision is regular decision.
You didn't have to cut me off. Like that we were nothing. I don't even need your love.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
So, if Umang wants to apply for fall 2023, he shall start working on his application from this June and apply by January to attend his dream university next year in August. He found he has another option too. Most of the universities accept application for spring intake as well. For spring intake, the session begins in January. The deadline for applying will usually be anywhere between July and September. So if he wants to apply for spring intake 2024, he shall start working on his application in January 2023 and apply by July to attend the university in January 2024. As he will have his final exam somewhere between March and May, he thought he should go with early action of fall intake. So he has to apply by this November. Now he has to shortlist the university and look for the requirements. You'll get a video on my channel on how you can shortlist universities as well. He chose almost all the Ivy Leagues and some other prestigious universities, and he found he will require a personal essay, college specific essay depending on the university, scholarship essay, letter recommendation from most recent teachers, generally between 1 or 2, or might be 3 letter recommendation. Class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th predicted transcript, SAT or ACT and English proficiency test scores. Okay, so where does he have to submit these documents? Most of the universities accept application in 3 ways: through Common App, through Collation App or through their own application portal. What is Common App or Collation App? The Common App or Collation App offers student the ability to complete one application and essay and send it to multiple member schools, as opposed to having to finish each individual scholar's application.
Oh yeah!
There are some universities like MIT, University of California, which accept application only through their own portal, while the other hand Harvard, Princeton and Stanford consider a Common App too. It depends on the university, so I suggest Common App for applying to all your desired university that accept Common App. So Umang decided to go with Common App. He immediately started working on the application. He filled in all the required details along with the Common App essay or personal essay, where you have to describe yourself on the given prompt. And I'll share my writing too soon. Or if you are watching this video after a long time, the video might be on the channel too. After this, he has to fill in the details of school specific questions and essay, and he's all done. Now the rest of the work is for recommender. You'll just have to invite them using Common App. If you are applying through the college application portal, there will be separate guideline for LOR submission. They might ask you to send directly to the office via mail from your respective teachers, or just like Common App, they will give you an option for the inviting, and your teacher has to submit them there. I suggest asking for recommendation at the beginning when you start the application from 2 teachers and your counselor, or if there is no counselor in your school, you can ask from the principal. Universities will ask you for less than 2 to 3 recommendations. Your teacher might ask you to write your own recommendation. They'll edit it, and that you will hate the most because literally no one knows how they have to write it down. I have my recommendation and some suggestion as well, so I will share them soon.
That's awesome.
Umang did the same. He asked recommendations from his 2 teachers and principal. Now you will ask me, what about transcripts? Where do they have to be submitted? The answer is your principal will be required to submit your transcripts through Common App. After getting LOR and his recent transcripts, Umang applied to his respective universities and he's all done. Wait, the work is not done yet. What about scholarship or financial aid? You will find almost all universities give merit based regardless of citizenship. But for financial aid, you will find some universities are need blind, some are need aware, some universities do not offer financial aid for international students. You'll have to look for each college site for more detail about scholarship and financial aid. Need blind and need aware are different financial aid admission policies. Need blind. Are they really need blind? So basically, need blind admission means that applicant's ability to pay for his education will not be a determining factor in the admission decision, while need aware, they will. It might affect your admission decision as well. Umang said, okay, but how do I have to apply for it? See, all the universities have different criteria. Some will ask you to write essay for merit scholarship. Most of the time, they will automatically consider you for the merit scholarship, and you not need to submit any application for that. But as I said, it totally depends upon university to university. For financial aid, universities accept CSS profile. CSS profile will charge you some dollars to send your application to the university. It is both for domestic and international students. ISFA. ISFA is a free financial aid application which is only for international students. Some universities like Princeton has their own application as well. So after submitting this application, you're all set. Now you'll just have to wait for the decision. It might take some week or some months. Generally, it is mentioned with the application deadline. After getting into his favorite university, Umang decided to accept the offer, and he immediately paid the deposit to accept the offer. After that, he'll have to complete tasks like asking for I-20, selecting meal and room plan, setting up with his college meal ID, some medical reports and all. After getting the I-20, he has to pay the service fee of $350. Then fill out DS-160, book appointment, and after getting his visa approved, he has to book a flight and fly to the USA. I hope you guys enjoyed the process and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you left with any questions, drop them in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. To support and motivate me to make more such videos, you can give me a coffee or hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel if not done yet. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too. So see you in another video. Together we will reach new heights.